What the Truck Wednesday. I'm Russell. This is Tom.
Hey, everybody.
It's been a minute. We skipped a week.
It just flies by.
But it actually was like 2 weeks for us. Yeah, so here we go. Let's get one thing out of the way really quick because we were supposed to announce a t-shirt giveaway winner in our Friday video that we didn't do. And I'm not going to have a Friday video for this week anyway. So Super Skyline 9368, you were the winner of the t-shirt. And I will, if you don't watch these videos, I'm going to find your comment and tell you want a t-shirt. So you get your t-shirt. I'm being nice today.
Awesome.
It's been 2 weeks, so he probably forgot he entered.
Problem.
We got a bunch of stuff today. Tom's got a new kit. I got some accessories. NISMO Off-Road threw some accessories at us. I got another kit that Tom told me to put together. This is going to go all over the place. So buckle in, truck people.
And get your pen and paper ready.
Yeah, get ready. So first off, let's start off with a really easy one here. D41 Frontier guys, so what, 22 and up? If you've been buying Nissan's trailer hitch wiring kit, you know it does not come with a tow mode switch. We did a video, we talked about this, but we didn't make a kit. We have a kit now on the website, so if you buy that wiring harness, you can buy it with the tow switch, get the tow switch. They need the tow switch.
They do. It's a mode switch, so when you're towing, it alters the shift patterns, I would imagine.
Yeah.
For maximum torque.
It's pre-wired. We got a video. I'll link it in the description. Show you how to install that. It's super easy. I did it. That's like on a scale of easy. Russell did it.
Wow, that's like one bandage thumb.
That's like, it's basically installed from the factory. So easy.
Cool.
Let's talk about your kit you got over there.
Yeah, so about a week or so ago, I had a guy call in. He was looking for a hose. He had a leaky hose on his engine oil cooler.
Mm-hmm.
And so I went in, and I was shocked at the prices of these hoses. They're actually very affordable.
Yeah.
So much so that you can get the complete kit. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 hoses, and then the sealing gasket for the cooler itself. So you don't want to get stuck out the boonies. So get a look at these hoses on your vehicle, give them a squeeze, see if they feel soft, see if they feel hard, and replace them.
Yeah.
Because the newest Xterra, second-gen Xterra at this point, is 10 years old.
Yeah.
This kit number is VQ40 OCR as an oil cooler refresh kit. This is a complete kit, 4 hoses, the seal, and all the Nissan OEM spring clamps.
Our favorite clamps.
And there's going to be a big talk about how screw clamps are better than these and blah, blah, blah.
Crying is what he meant to say.
Current sale price, $62.64. And you can go off on the trail with no worries about leaks from your oil cooler, at least.
Yeah. I'd like to know what kind of mileage people got on their Xterras and still driving them. Tell me. I need to know.
I bet you they're up there.
I'm just curious. My neighbor drives an Xterra, and she's been driving that thing since I lived in that house, and I'd like to know how many miles are on that thing.
Just go over there, have a look.
Yeah, I'm good.
Just see if the door's open.
So Adventure Medic kits. We haven't talked about these in a while. This is really cool first aid kit. Nissan's packaged it in a digital camo. It's got that what do they call mole? Mole, is that what this is called? We do this every time.
I have no idea.
Every time. But basically, you get a whole, let me open it all the way up. You get a whole little first aid kit. I've currently got these on special. So link in the description if you want one of these. Whose truck came with these? I'd like to know. We get a lot of our trucks here new. They come with these in the truck already. So, but obviously you can throw that in whatever you got. You can throw it in your girlfriend's Volkswagen if you want to. Doesn't matter.
I just wonder if this would fit over the headrest posts. What do you think? Is that too close together?
I think, the thing I've learned is that the headrest post on Nissan's varies.
Okay. Just trying to think.
So,
handy spot for it.
Yeah, I mean,
I like these a lot. They're compact. It's about the size of a decent book.
Yeah, on the Frontiers, if you have the underseat storage, I'm assuming on the Titan it would fit too. On the Frontiers, they fit fine in there. We also have the I think it's called the Off-Road Adventure Kit or something. It's got a bunch of tools and stuff like that in it too. I'll link all that stuff in the description. I've got a weird one today.
I like weird.
This is weird. This is something that I found that I was like, why do we have this? Doing a secret unboxing over here. Now, this...
Why would we have that?
Right. Why would we have this? I don't know. That's a question that I can't answer. A formal employee might be able to tell us. So if you're watching this video and you ordered this and you're responsible for it, get in the comment section. Tell me why we have this. But this is a gauge cluster for a D40 Frontier and N50 Xterra. If I remember correctly, this is for the Pro 4X models with the white gauge faces.
Okay.
I didn't write it down. It's all on our website though. I looked up what they fit, but I've got this thing on sale for $328.81. When this is gone, it's gone. So you got to hit the contact for availability, and Tom's going to sell it to you. But cool. This is one-on-one. So snag it up. And while I'm up doing a show and tell, what do you think about these wheels, Tom?
I think they're awesome.
Okay, there we go. So 18-inch NISMO Off-Road Ascend Wheels. These fit the Rogues and the Pathfinders. Soon as our sales business takes a turn for the better, I'm going to see if I can get these guys to let me put some of these on the SL Pathfinder. I don't think we want to put it on Platinum. I don't want to change around to Rock Creek.
No.
So, but I think these come in.
It would look good on a black Pathfinder if they make black Pathfinders.
They do. But they come in bronze and they come in black. So pick your poison.
Center caps included?
Center caps are included. It comes with the black NISMO center caps that are replaceable. And they do fit some other wheels. I don't have an extensive list of what they fit, but we have had people buy them and install those on different wheels. NISMO Off-Road spare tire carrier. I didn't bring that in here today, but it installs on the Utilitrack. Me and Tom were both pretty excited about it. It's not as exciting when you get a box and it's in pieces and you can't install anything, though. So if we ever get to that point, I think the big thing that I want to know is what is the threshold on tire and wheel size. Probably tire size will be the most important piece, but they're, looking at the components and how you install it, it looks like there is some adjustability on it.
Okay.
So like if you had a taller tire, I just wonder like how wide, I guess if you stick with a factory, offset to accommodate the factory style, it'd probably be fine. Let us know if you've got one of those installed. I want to get one installed.
Yeah, I'd like to see a picture of it like on someone's vehicle.
Yeah, would love that. Absolutely love that. We went too fast through all of our stuff.
Well, I saved something for
oh yes.
Here. Back to the Xterra guys and gals, second gen Xterra. How about a bug shield or deflector shield? Or
yeah.
What else do they call them?
Is that for the hood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just call it a bug shield.
Yeah.
We have one here at the dealership. It's dark smoke tint. It only fits the second gen Xterras. Regular price on it is $163. Should we blow it out at that?
Yeah.
All right. How about $131?
Yeah. I'll
modify the website.
I'll make it myself.
And $131 plus shipping if you don't live near us.
Yeah, and that's a discontinued part?
I don't know that it is. It's just not a very common part. People seem to think that it's discontinued.
I gotcha. Okay. Yeah, what's crazy to me is that I feel like the demand for bug shields, maybe people just don't come to the dealership, but back in the day, 2007, when I started here, we used to sell bug shields for everything. Like it was like hotcakes.
I like bug shields. I think they're cool.
Yeah, it just, I don't, they don't do anything for me visually, but if you want something to protect the front of that hood,
yeah,
you ever look at one in a parking lot and how nasty it is.
Yeah, it's, I call it a bug shield, but it also protects the front edge of your hood from rock chips and your windshield from rock.
Because it kicks everything up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, yeah, and it's OEM, so it's made, it contours through the hood correctly. It's not going to look, it's not going to be like, remember the old school ones that would like set off the hood? They were just like flat.
Straight up like on the big rigs. Yeah.
So it's not like that. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, get in the comment section, do all the cool things that we love you to do.
Interact with us.
It lets us know that you're alive. Sometimes we wonder, like, who's watching our videos? We don't know. 10,000 people watch it. We got 0 comments and 300 dislikes.
Well, it's pretty cool because we're at, what, 249,000 subscribers now?
Something.
And our international orders are up.
We have gotten a lot of international orders lately.
Japan, Switzerland, Belgium. I'm on the communications right now with a guy in Italy.
Yeah.
So international orders are up, which is cool. I like checking out places where people are.
I want to address one thing because we're talking about international. Is that I just recently had a guy make a post on Instagram story. He's in Canada and he was all mad because we don't ship there, frustrated. And he steered it towards tariffs and politics. And we had a conversation. I talked to him and I said, we quit shipping to Canada long before we were first.
Right.
So we had a ton of issues shipping to Canada. So, and it was Canada. We ship to Australia, Japan, all these places and don't have issues. Canada, every single order was a problem.
Right.
One way or another. So we just turned it off. I mean, the amount of business that we had in Canada wasn't great enough to go, okay, we just need to figure out a way around this. It was just cut it loose.
Right. If it was one issue in a while, you kind of have to expect that. But it was every single order had an issue. It was this thing showed up damaged. Maybe if you put more packaging in it. We got a guy that uses way too much packaging.
Yeah.
So I think what was happening in regards to damages, it was going through customs. Customs agents are just pulling stuff out.
Yep.
Putting the parts back in, leaving the packaging out, and then sending it. Another issue was currency exchange.
Yeah.
People would submit an order on the weekend. I would, get to the order on Monday or Tuesday, and it's a discontinued part. It's not available. 7 to 10 days. They don't want to wait for it to come in, and they'd want a refund. So I would refund it, and currency fluctuations going on all the time. I never got any complaints when they were getting more money back than what they paid.
Yeah.
But it was like, hey, you guys owe me $14 on this. It was just so much headaches.
Yeah.
It was just not fun.
I went down so many rabbit holes on international shipping. eBay has a seller forum that is like, it's been around for so long. There's so much good information there. People ship internationally, and some of these problems is just like none of the buyer nor the seller can overcome these problems because there's a whole bunch of people in the middle that don't care.
Right.
They don't care. I mean, at least that's what it seems like.
Yeah. So nothing personal against Canada, but we're just not going to ship there anymore. We haven't been shipping there for probably 8 months at least.
Yeah, it was bad.
It's been a while
during the summertime.
So yeah, sorry, Canada. Nothing personal.
Yeah.
But it's just more work than it was worth.
Yeah. And maybe something will change one day. Maybe there'll be a different, set of circumstances. But that's how it is. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Hit subscribe.
See you soon.